welcome back, boys. I'm just loading these ramps now for some more cars to break in. There's the Jeep we've got up Dean and Luke. Well, I said the cat were knackered. John's moving that 207 right now. And Vic is pretending to work. Right, I'm going to give John the camera. What are you good at? I said pretending to work. Right, John.
Alright.
Is that your new car?
See you in a bit.
Get out.
Bye. Yes, my little Harold, get out. Yeah,
tell him a little bit about yourself. This is John. He's solo riding right now. He's going solo with the camp. So be prepared to get cringed out by little boys.
I'm just moving this car because it's annoying. You what?
This is a big thing for John, this.
Shut up. Yes, my little boy. No, I'm just moving this car because Jay's is moving some freaking cars. Wants me to move some cars, should I say. We're just creating a bit of room at the front. We're getting a few cars in the garage. I'm usually in the office, but when it starts getting busy in the yard, I'm like back up. I'm always good back up though. Because I know how to do everything. But yeah. Quite a few cars coming. I tell you what, it's all been Peugeots. Peugeot 207. Peugeot 207. That Peugeot I just moved, a 207, was like Peugeot 207 everywhere. Numbnuts here.
I need to get that Subaru engine out, boys.
Right, where is it?
Right, we've sold an engine off
Yeah,
a Subaru.
that's what we do, James.
And we need to get it out, my boys.
And it's all the way behind
So
here.
Here.
This is what our salesman's good at, selling stuff what we can't get to.
Yeah, he does it on purpose.
Where is it?
It's that blue one there.
Yes,
So,
that's the
I've got the task.
Scooby-Doo.
I've got the task of getting that out. The cars we get in the garage for breaking, like we'll probably try and aim for one car on one ramp a day, so it's 4 cars a day being broke.
Yeah.
And we want it to be what's going in there is already sold something good, like a steering rack, a gearbox, an engine. So this Subaru's going to go in there, and we've already sold the engine. So
yeah,
it works quite good like that. But
yeah,
we are still having to scrap a lot, like this BMW 2.3 straight 6.
Oh, everyone's going to cry about this one.
Yeah, it's going to have to get scrapped, boys.
Unless one of you boys want to buy it.
It's getting scrapped, because they've got little juicy little cats on these, boys. I'm going to get back to you.
Oh my god, what's in here? Bloody hell! That's a bit of a mess. Wow. Someone didn't like this car, did they? Look at all that mud.
Yeah, I'm going to have to move a few of these cars to get that Subaru out.
What are you doing
So
now?
I'm just going to hit these down.
That's it. That'll do.
Right. This drive now. This is another little shed what Dean robbed us on.
Ooh. Do you reckon it's not on right? Damn it. Right, we'll just get another battery. Oh shit. Sorry boys. What if it's not going to grip it enough?
Are you leaving your brew there?
Yeah.
Right, let's see if that does it.
Look at that, I'm on a diet.
Well, it must be off the foot here.
Yeah, so there'll be a
Yeah, but
thing
it's,
to
oh,
pull.
there we go. Car, boys. Right, we've sold this engine now, so we're going to drive it out. Right, John. Go on, straighten up. They're not doing it. There, go on. Keep going. Right, try and drive it out. Take it wide. Well, keep going.
Right, so we've got this Subaru out, we sold the engine, and listen to that. knocking its head off. Basically, situations like this, turn it off, James. So we sold it, right, basically we started the engine, but it's not stopped knocking.
No, but it's not knocking.
Yeah, so yeah, that's knackered. So we started the engine before, it started up fine, it sounded fine, we WhatsApped the video to a customer, everything was fine. But we always start them up, rev them right up, make sure they're bang on before we sell them. But the engine has literally just started knocking its head off. So the engine is completely goose. So we've just fully refunded them straight away. They're happy, but it's just one of them. It happens. It happens, boys.
It's just the way the cookie crumbles, my boys. I mean, some people would have probably sent it. You know, like, oh, I'll get the money. We sent the money straight back. I mean, don't get me wrong, it hurt in here when we sent the money back, it hurt right there. But you've got to do it, boys.
You've got to do it. So yeah, we'll still break this car though, but obviously we won't lift the engine.
Right, boys.
Can't hear.
Yeah, they can. I'm painting it this way.
Yeah.
But I was going to show you the concrete, but there's something miles more interesting. Way more interesting. Now, you wanted to see what car Marky Boy drives. Oh, it's sweet. Now, some would say he's stuck in time. That's your clue. Right, you've got to guess which one it is. You've got to guess which one it is, boys. I think Yeehaw Boy might be with him. Crack a yeehaw up, bro. Bro, come on. Marky Boy.
Morning.
Oh, what's this bad boy you're driving?
Oh, don't get this into it.
No. You want to see what you drive? Go on, talk to me about it a little bit.
It's a Volkswagen Scirocco or a replica.
Yeah, but I mean, look, you wouldn't have Marcus down as having that, would you? It's like a 20-year-old. Is it unlocked?
Hey, in my mind, yeah,
Look at that. This is Marky Boys. In his mind, he's still young at heart, Marcus. You just wouldn't have had him down as
I'll tell you what, they're not bad seats then.
No, it's not bad actually, right, shut the door. But, what else have you got? Talk to us about real cars. What else?
What else have you got, Marky?
I've got a 1957 Plymouth.
Plymouth,
Savoy,
1957.
turquoise, one shores. And I've got a 1952 Sunbeam Talbot 90 Coupe Special, which is very rare.
Very rare. John Boy, you're going to crack a yeehaw out for me, bro?
And I've just bought a Punto.
Oh, he's just bought a Punto off me.
Yeah. He does like his Puntos.
Yes, I do. They're a good car.
You wouldn't want that to land on you, would you? He's going to enjoy this. Snug. That's one done. Obviously we'll end up finishing that off, but what we need to do, the environment's basically said where these are, the water needs to drain out of these bays into these drains down here and then through the interceptor tank, obviously for any oil residue what's left off. So hopefully it'll all be done pretty soon.
Oh yeah, boys, look at that. Unbelievable. Watch it crack now. Oh my god. Look at that, boys. Beautiful. Buzzing with that. So crispy, that, honestly, that's mega. Look at that, rolling a treat. Oh my god. Mint. And look, the drain there, absolutely perfect. It's the last time we ever have to do this with the bins. Dragging it on the horrible mud.
You won't believe it, everyone. Ben is actually doing something. This is a rare sight.
Ben, pull your pants up.
No, I won't.
It looks like the fucking crack of dawn, lad.
Go away.
It's like a black hole. Have you ever seen movies?
Right, we've got him out. Look, he's doing something. Look.
He's sweating, he's sweating.
Wow.
Oh, don't look, man.
Wow.
Busy. Yes.
Hey, go away, man. I'm busy.
He's busy. That's the first time you've ever been busy.
Says the one in the office.
Right, boys.
Right.
Airflow meter for the Jag. I've just had to order a new one. Do you want to get any closer, John, or jump in it if you want? You jump in it. So I'm going to go and fit that now.
Yeah.
And we'll see if it starts.
Sorted.
Oh, I'll do it like we're on telly. Come with me. Right, so I don't know if you was aware or not, but the Jag broke down on me. Because I was using it, or I have been using it, and obviously things happen, but a ton there. Ooh, 9k. You can have it. Right, so the airflow meter is just here. I'll change that. If I can get the camera. Oh.
Come on. Ben, where you going?
To work.
What do you mean to work? You're at work.
No, I'm not. I work here. I'm working.
He doesn't do anything.
Right, boys.
This Citroen, what Joe showed you before, previously, it had an injector fault. What is it showing on the dash now?
Well, the light's on, but it needs
It's not saying ESP though, is it?
No, I need to take it for drive.
Right, so basically we fitted an injector in injector one, and now it's running sweet. So we're going to take it, don't have it up too much, we're going to take it for a quick spin now. So what's all this concrete, James? Drive out.
What do you reckon? It feels alright, doesn't it?
I don't know. It needs to be right though.
I'll tell you what, it's nice and clean in here.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, but we'll just keep on doing bits. Well, he's been coming in for the test drive. Yes, son. Oof. Oh, come on, he's getting a lift to his car. Come on, get in, son.
I'm literally on the hill.
Yeah, just get in, I'll take you up there. Right, this is Ben getting a lift to his car. Look, Jenny, you can't be off a walk.
I know. Yes. What does it feel like?
Well, I'm going to put my foot down now.
It tells you who's in. Oh, it's me.
Oh, I don't know if it is.
Really?
Didn't feel right to me, though.
In what way?
Well, I mean, all the ball joints feel good.
That's doing what's great, look at it.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, it's right.
Yeah.
Unbelievable, boys.
Yeah, my car's there, lad.
I'll let Ben out.
Well, we'll take it back in the yard.
there.
We'll take it back in the
We're
yard.
gonna pull Ben back in there.
Come on.
Right, I'll let you out here.
Right. In a bit, Ben.
See you in a bit.
Right.
So,
Wait, what are you going to say to the people?
I do work, so yeah. Bye.
Oh,
he
mad.
doesn't.
Well, I can't get
You're
a car.
mad.
I'm too fat to get a car.
Shall I drive now?
Right, James.
Hey.
Right, so
see you
yeah,
there.
it's a runner.
It's the runner. See you
Friday morning, boys. Quite a lot going on today. Car's being broke again, as usual. Nice fresh day, what we like. But more importantly, you might have noticed we've not been doing this as much, or I've not. It's sausage roll day. So we're going to enter Marcus's lair. Where is he? Marky boy. Hey, bro, you okay? Good lad.
Yep.
Hey, Marky. How we doing? How we doing, Marky boy?
Fat Friday.
Whoa! It is Fat Friday for you, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's sausage.
Let's have a look. Let's have a zoom on it.
It looks a bit undercooked to me.
It
That
does.
one.
No, it's all right.
Tell you what, it sounds good though.
Yeah.
Right, so obviously, because I'm ripped out my head, I don't eat sausage rolls.
Oh,
Hey!
oh, he doesn't eat sausage rolls. What's friend there?
Hey! No, I'm fasting, aren't I? So I'm punishing myself. But I can still smell them, and you can eat through your nose. So let me
God, they do
that.
smell good.
Let me smell that. I'm gonna eat a bit of air. You know what? It actually feels like I just had a bite of Marcus's sausage just then. Hey, bro, do you eat hard, bro? Oh,
Right.
he's not with it this morning. Why don't you do like a little airplane into the camera?
Go on, do it.
Go on,
Go on.
do an airplane.
Do it.
Marcus,
do it,
come
do
on.
it.
Do it for your people.